Ari, do you want a kiss?
No. No.
Ari, do you want whiskers?
I'm gonna stake you. Don't put it on your nose.
Ari seems to be in kiss.
Ari, you been kissed?
Yeah, I do like the pink one the most.
You like the pink one the most?
I love the black one and the pink one.
Yeah.
I do not like the.
I do like the pink one. I just prefer the chocolate one. Aria.
What?
Look at you. Top down. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. The last cook along went really good and you guys wanted another one. So what are we going to make today?
Donuts!
Baked donuts. They are super duper
Yummy, but we had one and it was so yummy.
It was so yummy, wasn't it?
It was only one time, but I only liked it.
Yeah, so we're going to make donuts. We're going to make, this recipe is double the normal recipe. And we are going to make half the donuts vanilla with pink icing and sprinkles. And we're going to make the other half, what was it?
Chocolate.
Chocolate. Who's excited about chocolate donuts?
Me.
Yeah?
I love chocolate.
Yes, you do. Okay, so first thing we need to do is get our donut pan. So I got this off Amazon. I'll link it down below. I think it was about £8. So we're gonna have to do them in 2 batches. So we'll do the vanilla batch first with the strawberry icing, and then we'll do the chocolate batch afterwards. So I've just oiled it with a little bit of oil, and we'll put that at the back. Oven is on at 175 degrees, which is 350 Fahrenheit. And in a big bowl we need to put the dry ingredients in. So in this big bowl, right, we have got 2 cups of flour. You tip that in. Oh, good job. Give it a little whisk.
Whisky. Whisky, you have a whisk, I have a
Wow. And then we've got
sugar.
2/3 of a cup of sugar.
I got some.
I see. Give that a little mix. Stop eating it all.
Can I have a little mix?
Yep.
A little whisk of again.
Lovely job. And then we need to put in the baking powder.
Baking powder.
Tip that in.
Then we make that a little whisk.
Give that a little whisk, yeah.
I have the bottom.
And then we need half a teaspoon of salt. Mummy's going to measure this.
Mix
There
that.
you go. Mix that.
And I have a mix. You don't have to have the first whisk. Again.
Right, Ari's turn.
My turn.
I will put the recipe down below for you guys. Lovely. Okay. Right, let go of that. Now, we need another bowl. And in here, we need to put the eggs.
I thought it was eggs.
You got to do. Who's doing first?
Mine.
So crack your egg on there, yeah, and then crack it into this bowl.
Crack.
Put it in there. Come on, over the bowl. Well done, Aria. Perfect. Put it in there. You've got a tiny bit of shell, but that was really good. You wait there, and then I'll lift you down so you can. Right, Aria, tip it in that bowl. You can go and wash your handies. Perfect job. Mika, your turn.
I just got some on these.
It's okay. You stand up. And I'll lift you up.
Jump over that.
And jump.
Jump over that.
Go wash your hands.
Jump over that.
What's because you're meant to do it in there, you Wally? But you did really good.
Oopsie.
It's okay, doesn't matter. I'll just get it out. Look, it's gone. Right, go wash your hands. Get rid of this. No, that's not washing your hands. That's just putting them in water. Wash them properly.
Oh, sorry.
Good job. Right, now we need someone to whisk the eggs.
Okay.
Give them a little whisk. Break them up. Can Mummy help? Right, Ari, can you tip in the vanilla, please? It's 3 teaspoons of vanilla, so it's 1.5 for a normal recipe. So it's 3 teaspoons of vanilla. Ari, I think you just put Mika's put some egg white on there, and you just put your hand in it. Let me get your white. Wipe the table. You want to tip the butter in? You tip it in.
Why do I don't get to?
You get to do the next one. Calm your boobs.
Whisk.
Hold the bowl while you're whisking.
Can I have no turn? No, I have the bowl for me.
Perfect. Teamwork. Mika, can you tip the milk in?
Yeah. Really careful.
This is 2/3 of a cup of milk.
I want to whisk.
Mummy's going to whisk this because this is where it gets full. Good state of you. Mika, don't pick your nose on YouTube. They've been playing in the garden all day, so they are super grubby. You've been decorating your mud kitchen, haven't you? Their hands are clean, but the rest of them is gross. So, now, do we do this with a... Wait a sec, Ari.
Wow.
Right, I'm going to... We're going to pour this. Tip the wet ingredients into the dry. And Mummy's going to do this because you have to not over mix it. You have to be really careful not to over mix it. So we're just going to give it a mix.
I get the spoon.
Oi, let go.
Oh, you snatched it off me.
Not nice to snatch, is it?
No. Because I like the spoon. No, I have this spoon.
No one's having the spoon. Mummy's doing this bit.
And donuts are yummy.
Alright, so this is all mixed. Just mixed.
I want to try it.
You can try a little bit. Just dip your finger in.
Be great.
Is it good?
I don't
Go on then. So I'm going to get half the batter. And I'm going to spoon it into the donut mould. You can, it says like, you can do it with like a piping bag or something if you want to, but I can't be bothered to do that. And I did this last time and it worked absolutely fine. So I'm doing half the batter, and then we're going to turn the other half of the batter into chocolate batter. Yeah, I know, it's crazy.
with cocoa powder.
With cocoa powder, well done.
Cocoa powder's here.
Yes, it is.
I
You're a
thought
bit clever. Do you think you're little chefs?
yeah.
Yeah,
Oh, we make so much things.
you do like making stuff, don't you? We do lots and lots of cooking.
Yeah,
And what do we watch on the telly all the time?
there's
The Pioneer Woman. We love the Pioneer Woman. She's our favourite.
Yeah, and they make crisp buns today, and cake pops, and you know what? And crazy bars.
She does make crazy bars, doesn't she?
It's crazy, cause it's crazy.
Ari, stop eating the batter.
It's crazy. It's crazy. And Mummy, can I get my shoes?
Yeah.
Bring it outside. Can we both lick the spoon?
No, we don't lick any of these spoons yet because we're not finished with them, are we? So these donuts are going in the oven now for about 8 minutes. And then, wait a sec. We're going to get our cocoa powder. And we're going to just, we need to get the little sieve for the cocoa powder because it's really, really full of crap.
Mummy, now I can have a cup of juice.
Yeah, you can have a cup of juice. That's got milk in it.
Oh.
It's milk, isn't it? Oh, I see.
I'll drink that.
So,
Oh
got-
yeah, you're gone.
this is 1/4 of a cup of cocoa powder. I'm just pushing it through a sieve so it's nice and smooth, because I don't want to mix it too much. I just want to mix it the bare minimum. So we've got that, and we're just going to mix this in really gently, and then this is going to be our chocolate batter, and we're going to do the exact same thing and bake it for the same amount of time. So we will come back when the donuts come out the oven, yeah?
Yeah.
So we will see you in a minute. So the donuts are out the oven. So you got the vanilla ones and then the chocolate ones. They look amazing. I am rubbish at like portioning things out, so like they're different sizes, but it doesn't matter because it's home cooking and nobody gives a crap. I'm gonna let these cool down, and then the girls are gonna come back and we're gonna ice them and decorate them, which is gonna be awesome because they're delicious. Please excuse my beer.
I don't eat one of them and one of
Our
them.
donuts are ready, and we're gonna make our icing. What one do you want to make first? Chocolate or
That one, that one, that one, that
chocolate
one.
icing first? Okay, that's fine. So,
I will chocolate icing on here.
yeah, that's fine. We have got 80 grams of icing sugar and 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and we're gonna sieve it.
Can I say that?
No, because you'll make a mess. I know what you're like.
Wow.
A mess.
Come here.
This icing is made with milk rather than water, and I've never done it until I made these donuts, and it is, oh my god, it's so good.
Yeah, it's done.
So yummy. I don't know if it'll work with the chocolate one. I'm assuming it will, because I've never made these chocolate donuts before.
No, we
We've
haven't
only
only those.
We've only made the vanilla ones before, haven't we?
Yeah, because they're so yummy. I just had one time like this. Oh, yummy.
And then we need 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk.
And the rest.
You know, we need the rest for the other one, don't we? And then we mix it. And then you guys can dunk them. You can try the chocolate
Me
icing.
too, me too. I look really like Minnie Mouse.
Mmm. Oh, yummy. We're going to put sprinkles on these as well. Alright? So Mummy's going to do the first one. Don't knock the sprinkles over. Right, so we get our donut, and then we dunk it. And we pull it out. Might need to make the icing a little bit thinner.
Then it's black and black.
And then we get some sprinkles.
Black sprinkles. I want to dip my finger. I think I want that one.
Oh.
I dip my finger in the sprinkles. Alright! Look.
We're using a different spoon,
Dun
not the one
dun
that
dun dun dun.
we'll just
There's
lick.
Ari in the don dog. Mummy.
Oh no, I see her. Aria! Right, Mika, you dunk one.
Okay.
Dunk it straight down. Hold it like that, and then dunk it in, and then twist it a little bit, and pull it out. Lovely, that's perfect. And then put it on the tray. Mummy will sprinkles. Wow.
I want some sprinkles on my
That looks like the most perfect donut. Look at this. That looks perfect. Right, Ari's turn. So Ari, dunk it like that. Straight down. It looks so good
There's
to me.
already chocolate on it.
Oh,
What happened there, Ari?
There's already
dunk it. Come on. Lovely job. Pull it out.
I done the second one.
Lovely.
Which one you put?
That one.
That's the one I'm going to eat first.
We're doing.
Right. Our donuts are done. I'll put some pictures in because they look amazing and you cannot see it on the camera. But they look so good. Who is going to eat the most?
Me! I'm gonna eat that one and that one. I'm gonna eat mine and then
I'm going to eat that one and that one.
I'm gonna eat. That was my one.
I'm going to eat that one.
I'm gonna eat these two.
I'm going to eat that one as well, Ari.
Right. Let us know what else you want us to make. Say thanks for
Kebabs.
watching.
Pork chops.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.